ended up liking these ottomans way more than I expected. I was already excited about them, but once I got them in my living room and saw how lovely they are, I'm just absolutely thrilled with the level of coziness and style that they add to my space. They are super soft and have so much great texture, and I even love the small added detail that they kind of have a subtle channel tufting all around the sides. And I love that you get two sizes, so the smaller one actually shipped inside of the bigger one, and it's definitely not intended to be used this way, but the big one has this empty space inside with a zipper, so you can actually use that for storage for things that maybe you don't want to access too often. You can just keep them in there. But since you get two, you could layer them together, or you can use them completely separately, and there are so many different uses for them. You could of course use them as a footstool, but you can also use them as a side table to keep things nearby while you're lounging, or you can even add a tray, and that way you have a surface for a drink. The boucle look is super in style still, and these are definitely very well made. I have really enjoyed them in my living room, so I know that you're really gonna like them too.